Hi everyone, Puckhead Pop Collector here, and today I'm going to be doing something different, but in the last video I told you about the pop vinyls I got for $2, Peter Brady and Albus. Now we're going to attempt the last name. And I'm going to be making a custom figure. I plan on making a news reporter for an up and coming project for the channel, but what you need for this, pretty simple, but, if you have it, you have it. If you don't, you don't. I have a Dremel set here. All your Dremel parts and everything. So I'm going to be using that. A hair dryer. Any hair dryer works. And a hot glue gun. So, not my typical video, but I'll be cutting in and out. And, it's going to be probably a longer video. So, hope you stay tuned, and let's get started. Okay, so, let's do Peter Brady first. From the Brady Bunch. We're going to take him out of the packaging. And you see here, nice pop vinyl, $2, can't complain. Smooth the light over. So there he is. And then we have Albus. Right here. He has the suit on, so no spoilers here, but an educated guess. Guess which one we are going to be using for the body. Now, here's the challenge. These, I'm going to have to swap heads. And here's the problem. Albus has a square bottom part. And Peter has a circle head. So, we are going to have to figure out a way to put the heads on. But, nevertheless, we're going to get started here by getting the heads off of the figures. And we're going to do that by using our hot hair dryer. So, let's do that, and I'll be back. Okay, plugged in. And we're going to start with Peter first. So, here we go. Okay, so I've been putting the blow dryer on them, and I won't do this with Albus, but just to show you. So I'm gonna get the head, and I don't know if you can see, but the glue's starting to come off. But I think it's gonna need a little longer, so I'll come back. Which subsequently led. Nope. Gotta go again. Sorry about the background voices there. Okay, I think I got it. So, as you can see, the glue starts coming up. Sorry. If we bring it around. Good jeez. Okay, so you see it coming up now, and then you have your pop vinyl without its head. When I came on before, I apologize for that. I was watching YouTube and it stopped for a minute, and then when I hit play, it started back up again. But nevertheless, we got him off. Whew, okay, now we are going to do this with Albus, and I might show it, me getting off the head, seeing as it's a different head, but I'm not sure. So I will see you when I get finished with him. Okay, so here goes attempt 1. Getting the head off. Looked like it was coming off right before I... Jeez. Let's see here. Okay, so just like last time, it looked like attempt 1 was a fail. So, gonna put some more heat on them and hopefully get some off. Okay. Okay, attempt 2. Jeez. Now you can see that it looks like it's starting to come up from over there. So let's try to... Jeez. Doesn't look like it again. So, oh wait. Nope. Gonna come back and try again. Okay, so after about 15 minutes of heating them up and everything, I can't get the head off. That's a problem because, well, why wouldn't it be? So, when I tried to, the ball joint or whatever came out the head. So now I just have a head here. So, an alternate rendition, I guess, or version. I'm gonna heat this up, see if I can get the head part from here, because this was on this, and this part just came all the way off. So if I can get this off, put it on here, then I don't have to worry about using a Dremel or anything. I just put, you know, simple as that, but except this part's gonna be on here. So I'm gonna heat this piece up and see if I can get it on here. So I'll see you in about another 15 minutes. Okay, so not as long as I thought, but I got them off. So you have your head here, your head here, or body, I'm sorry. You have this piece. So theoretically, I can, wait, might be able to do it on camera. No. Okay. No. Now, before I try to put some heat to this, I've thought of something. So, see how this part, or, you know, it's extended, I guess. This isn't. So, the problem I possibly could run into is this not being fully down on the body. So, I need to get it, hopefully, to down here, so I can get the head on comfortably. So, I'll be back after I hopefully get this on here. Okay, so I got the head piece on the body. Now, what I was just doing off camera was trying to make sure that's on there in place, and it seemed like the glue was still decently sticky. So I'm gonna heat these up just to make sure that the glue's on, or like at least like reactivated, I guess, and I'm gonna put them on together. So you already know. Be right back. Okay, heated them back up. Now to put them together. Okay, so here we go, and then just to show you there, all together. Now, we have ourselves, technically, a custom pop vinyl, But what I want to do is get the Dremel, take this wand off. I'm assuming it's a wand, and maybe make a couple touch-ups, touch some things up. But then besides that, this will be pretty much done. So I'm going to get the Dremel out, and we're going to take this off. So to take the wand off here, I'm going to use this drill bit. I'm not sure what it's really called, but it looks like it will be able to take off. Jeez, I don't know what's happening there, but it looks like it will be able to just slice that off nice and easy. So, well, I've tried to figure out what... Oh, okay, there we go. I'm gonna screw that in here, and then I will join you guys back when I'm ready to take off the wand. Okay, so actually stopped the video like 2 seconds ago, then it locked in place. So, here we go. And there we go. As you saw, I had to turn up the speed a little, but the wand is off, and now I think I'm just gonna get another drill bit, touch up on here, and then he will be just about done. So let me go get that drill bit, and I will rejoin you guys. So this, I guess you could say, is a stepper, and we're gonna use that to kind of just finish up in here. So here we go. Okay, so this didn't really do much. So I have actual drill bit I'm gonna get that will help us out with that. Can get that out. Okay, I will get the drill bit now. Boom. Okay, so we have the drill bit. I'm not gonna drill into his hand, but I hope to drill into the wand, so it looks a little more like it wasn't there, because we don't want it to be there. So here we go. And it should lock someday. Okay, glad I stopped the video because I had to switch out the drill parts to get it in. So, sorry. So, let's start drilling. Okay, we got that done. Oops, sorry. The Dremel parts. Now, as you can see, if it focuses up here, can't really tell a difference, but it is sanded down. Okay, there we go. Sanded down a little. And last step to this, if I have any skin tone paint that looks like it can match this, I'm gonna get that. And after that, I think we're gonna be just about done. Maybe touch up on the pupils, and then we'll be done. Okay, so yes, be back after that. Okay, I didn't have any skin tone paint, but for the pupils, I decided to go with an alternative, just a little Sharpie. Might be a noob move, I'm not sure, but just have like a couple spots and stuff on the pupil. So, I'm going to do that, and then we'll be finished. Okay, so wasn't the best move. You know, I got the slightest bit of Sharpie right there on the skin. So I think that means that it's time to end the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope to see you in another. This was unedited. I just stopped in between so you wouldn't have to see everything. But something different, and I hope to see you in another. And as a side note, what I'm going to be doing with these, possibly heating up the head, popping this on, then, I have another custom Funko figure. But that was not the point of this. Stay tuned, because you shall see this figure in more videos. So, hope to see you in another, and bye.